In the previous video, I explained to you guys that procrastination most close media 2025. I got a lot of reaction from the video across various media. In today's episode, I'll be sharing useful tips on how you can make the best out of the remaining days in the year 2025. 5 ways you can achieve your goals in the year 2025. You need to understand the fact that as a January, when you are writing out your New Year resolution, most of the things you wrote down were born out of unnecessary emotional euphoria. And at that point in time, you were actually influenced with the vibe of the atmosphere. So you must have written something that were highfalutin and not realistic with your capacity. So don't forget that those things you've written down, you need to go and check them, go back to your brain, but reevaluate it. Are they making sense? Do you have what it takes to achieve them? If those things are not that realistic enough, you have to bring it out. Second thing you need to do is that you have to come with a much more concrete plan. At this point in time, don't deceive yourself. Be very pragmatic with your action, be pragmatic with your goals, and come up with something like that. Okay, with this on ground, you can actually achieve this. The third thing you need to do is that you have to be very, very strategic now. Position yourself strategically. This is not the time for playing. This is not time for joking around. You have to be open to fresh opportunities. You should be able to network, go out, reach out, and don't just fold your hand and expect man from everyone. You have to explore as well too. The fourth thing to do is that you have to be very, very consistent. Consistency entails you also have to work very hard. Don't just flip over and expect miracles to happen from heaven. It doesn't work that way. You have to work extra harder to get your goals and to achieve your vision. The last thing to do is just have to be very, very spiritual. Without spirituality, you're going nowhere. So I don't know whatever religion you belong to or whatever thing you subscribe to. If there's any of your religions, affiliation, don't joke with your spirituality. The spirit controls the physical. I believe that with these useful tips, you can at least bring out something meaningful from the